destination for all things beautiful, functional, and inspiring for your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Your front yard is the very first impression your home makes, and nothing defines that boundary with more flair and purpose than a thoughtfully designed front yard fence. Far beyond a simple property divider, a well-crafted fence sets the tone for your entire home's exterior, framing your landscaping and highlighting your architecture. In today's video, we are breaking down stunning front yard fence design ideas that will elevate your curb appeal, enhance your home's character, and give your front landscape a polished, high-end look. A front yard fence design represents the intentional integration of structure, security, and aesthetic framing around the entry threshold of your property. Choosing a dedicated front yard fence is essential because it visually anchors your landscape, establishes defined boundaries without sacrificing style, and instantly raises the perceived value of your real estate. Whether you choose sleek horizontal timber slats for a contemporary finish, decorative ironwork for classic sophistication, or a low-profile natural stone and wood combination, a custom front fence offers an optimal balance between welcoming openness, child and pet safety, and architectural distinction. While the taste of your interior design style often begins at the front door, a front yard fence is the first opportunity to welcome yourself and visitors home. There are many types of fences that uphold high design standards and look impeccable once they're sitting pretty in your yard. Front yard fences are usually much more about accent and decoration than they are about actually providing security and privacy. While the primary purpose of a fence may have shifted for some, you will find numerous choices that satisfy either the style or security aspect, and often both. Here these the compilation of the top 15 front yard fence ideas for a warm welcome to your home. One, frame the driveway. Driveways that point directly at the house create a perfect sightline to frame your home. By installing a fence that stops at either side of the driveway, you create a pleasing look that feels intentional and guides the eye right to your front door. This can be done with a charming white picket fence or even something more colorful. 2. Go for a modern wooden fence. Wooden fences might sound rustic or traditional, but when done well, they can be the perfect addition to more modern houses too. Laid on top of jet black rails and spaced further apart than a more classic fence, wooden pickets with blunt, squared-off ends are a sleek and innovative way to balance the earthy look of wood and the starkness of black iron. Plus, it provides privacy that still feels light. 3. Opt for a stone fence or wall. A stunning stone fence is a gorgeous way to add security and a statement to your home. While it can easily look stately or formal, there are also ways to keep it more cool and casual, like this fence that has a coastal look. Although it's a heavy-duty material, a collage of lighter-toned rocks is inviting. With the help of a few plants, you can activate vacation mode at your own place. 4. Create chic contrast between fence and home. Breezy, light homes typically keep the theme running with a bright white fence, but here's your chance to try something a little different. A black or charcoal gray fence is instantly more intriguing. Choosing opposite colors offers major contrast, but they play nicely off one another. Mimic the tone of your home in the dark color that you choose. This one echoes the cool blue and cool white on the house. 5. Go for a cohesive built-in fence. Front yard fences don't have to be at the very front of the property line. You have a whole yard to experiment with. Depending on the style of house, a built-in fence that matches the housing material can be a gorgeous choice and one that looks reminiscent of old Italian villas. It gives much more privacy and gives an unbeatable sense of cohesion. 6. Blend two materials in your fence. A fence that matches the house is a nice little burst of consistency, but adding in a second material can provide a chic visual break. For instance, try adding wooden doors between stone walls. This helps frame the entrance, but the rustic warmth of the wood complements the warmth of the natural stone. 7. Create planters within the barrier. There are very few instances where a plant won't make a space more inviting. If your gates or fences feel sterile and plain, built-in planters or botanicals growing around the fence can infuse welcoming energy. This is great for dwellers who may not have a large front yard to work with. You can swap out the plants with the season, making sure they always add an inviting touch. 8. Choose a fun pattern for your gate. Want your fence to feel less like a blockade? Break up bold colors or stark materials with a lively pattern. It doesn't have to vary wildly from the original material, but just enough to lighten things up. Minimal circles, wavy grates, or chevrons may be all that's needed to elevate it. 9. Match the exterior of your house. There are two ways you can take a front yard fence. It can stand out from the house or blend in, and in some cases, a little of both. For a clean, streamlined appearance, opt for a fence made of the same stones, wood, or composite as the house. This creates a sleek, modern look that won't distract from the overall look of your home. 10. Add a fence made of plants. Not everyone loves the look of a fence, and that's where hedges come in. They're a natural way to give some protection and privacy to this part of your space. There's no shortage of types to choose from, whether you prefer tiny-leafed boxwood or arborvitae trees. There are even gorgeous flowering shrubs such as mountain laurels to use. 11. Set the fence further back. While many front yard fences sit further in front of the house, it might be more functional for you to have the fence attached to your home and wrap around. This type is ideal for anyone with backyard areas they'd like to keep sectioned off, or who would rather let their front yard shine, but still wants to create privacy. 12. Make the fence a statement. There are many ways you can turn a front yard fence into a statement. One such way is using a thick, solid wall in one color with very little details. This provides total privacy but also creates a modern look. People will wonder what type of stunning house is hiding behind the formidable minimalist wall. 13. Install a slide gate. Extra privacy and security doesn't have to look dull or intimidating. If you'd prefer your home to retain its chic energy and welcoming exterior, there are plenty of stylish options for gating your driveway and front yard area, such as a modern sliding fence that matches the color palette of your home. 14. Go for traditional pickets. When you hear the words front yard fence, a white picket likely comes to mind, and for good reason. It's a classic that works with various home types, whether you prefer a traditional look, own a colonial-style house, or are aiming for a coastal theme. They're not all the same either. You can find variations in height of post, types of picket, and color. 15. Choose a low-profile fence. Fences aren't necessarily just for security or privacy as mentioned. Sometimes they can be a great stylistic addition. A low-profile fence that matches the same build materials as your home can be a chic way to draw a visual perimeter around your property. It's a great way to keep a garden contained too. Upgrading your front yard fence is one of the most effective ways to completely transform your house's exterior aesthetic while adding lasting value to your lifestyle. By selecting materials and designs that complement your home's architectural lines and surrounding greenery, you turn an everyday boundary element into a striking exterior centerpiece that you will enjoy every time you arrive home. If you enjoyed these front yard fence ideas, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more inspiring exterior and home styling tips. Which fence style was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming design updates.
you.